Hello again, traders. Hello again. I'm back. Hello again, traders. I am back and wanted to close on my orders. So, as I promised you that I will be uploading the closing of my orders on my channel, but decided to be doing it live with you. Okay, as you can see, my take profit is at 1.02150, as I told you previously. The closing of my okay, let me check the sound. Okay, can you hear my voice? Okay, perfect, so you can hear me. Hi, my king. I was waiting for you since last live. Good energy. Hi, hello, king. How are you? Okay, you're most welcome, traders. So we are, let's say, ending the first part of this live streaming. Okay, that's why I am here live again. Okay, I was okay, so I wasn't able to continue the first live streaming, and I wanted to go, and the market wasn't moving at all, unfortunately, of course. That's why we have closed the live streaming and back, and now we'll be closing on my orders. As you can see, the take profits are ready. Okay, multiple take profits at 1.02150, as I told you before our first live streaming. Okay, so decided to close live with you. Okay, I will be waiting for the number to increase. So hope everyone can join. Today we've made the longest live streaming ever on my channel, so thanks again for your time watching. It was very long due to the price not moving at all. Okay, it happens sometimes. However, I've shown lots of important advanced tips, and you should watch the replay if you have missed part 1. Of course, you should watch the replay. Okay, I have shown very important advanced tips, especially on how to trade tough trends, how to trade end of the day, how to act for each situation accordingly, even if the situation is very hard as we have faced today. Okay, and now we are still waiting for the price to move upward. However, we are getting very close from that. Okay, waiting for the number to increase a bit, so hopefully everyone would join. It's the first session. Let's see other markets. Meanwhile, for the GBP dollar, we don't have anything yet. USD yen also. However, the GBP dollar is still moving into this sideways. The AUD dollar is moving upward, doing much better. Okay, and again for the euro dollar. Shirley, appreciate your time again. You're most welcome, Shirley. Yes, today was very tough. Since the price decided to be not moving at all, and usually at the Asian session, so now the market is very also slow. It's not usually moving fast, but I have to close on my profits already. So okay, so as I promised you that I will be uploading a video about closing on my orders, but I am back and I prefer to be doing that live with you. I have very well received your orders, traders, during my first, during our last live, so from hours ago. I have very well received your orders purchasing products from my website. Congratulations. And I have well delivered the products to you. Okay. And congratulations in advance for your improvement and for your success in Forex trading. So done everything, and here we are waiting for the price to reach our target, which was around 150, as you can see here in my take profits. Okay, so place your take profit around 150 and wait with me for the price to be reaching it. We have already flipped our profits multiple times, making around $1,000 in profits, and I have shown you very advanced tips. Okay, for the moment we are waiting for the price to be moving upward, ending this one. Okay, so if some of you are still with me during this entry, please place your take profit at 1.02150 and be prepared, traders, be prepared. The price is going to reach it. The price is moving upward in very fast mode, as you can see. Okay, take a look, the price is moving upward. In a great mode, finally. That's what we've been waiting for from so long, but the price decided to stay in its place for 4 hours. Okay, so be prepared to close on your profits, traders. Now you can start closing on your profits. Okay, you can start, but I will be waiting for reaching around the 150 level. Okay, as you can see, the price is moving up further. Take a look. The price is still moving upward. Okay. Don't miss the first live streaming. Watch the replay, rewatch the replay, take a look, traders. The price is finally moving upward. The price is finally moving upward. And be prepared to close on your profits. Be prepared, traders. The price is finally moving upward, and be prepared to close on your profits, as promised in my first live streaming. Okay, the price is up. Again, the price is upward. Okay, we are very close from our target. Pay attention here. We are very close from our target. However, I will start closing once getting closer and closer. Okay. Okay, take a look, the price is up. Take a look, the price is bouncing up again. Take a look, traders. The price is bouncing up again and again. Okay, we are very close from our target. Take a look. We are very close from our target. Okay, perfect. Now we can close. Now close, traders. Be very fast. Be very fast. Now close on your profits. Okay, not a big profits, of course, but the idea from that is to be, okay, that's perfect. Okay, the idea from this one is to be to learn these situations, how to act during these situations, and to learn about everything. Okay, here we are around $350 in profit. Okay, that's it. With the $1,000 profits already, that's $1,350 in profits. Close on your profits, traders. Please close on your profits. And now you have learned how to trade these very tough situations. And as you can see, during these very tough situations, you don't end up with lots of profits, but you end up with a small profit instead of ending up with a loss. Okay? So during these very hard moments, if a trader is not excellent, most probably he may end up, especially if only using the basic version, so he might end up with a big loss. And as you can see, we ended up with a small profit instead of a big loss. That's how you should trade these tough situations. Okay, I have closed here around 143, as explained previously, around the 150 1.02 150 level. Okay, as I told you, the market will be reaching the 1.02 150, and that's it. Okay, take a look at this mode. Okay, and here we are, the market is reaching the 1.02 150. As I told you, traders, as I always say, everything, the market is always dictating my predictions. As I told you, you can place your take profit on 1.02 150 and take a look. The market now is at 1.02 150. 1.02 150. What did I say at the end of my first live streaming? That the market is going to reach 1.02 150. And here we are. The market is now at 1.02 150. That's where your take profits, that's where we have placed our take profit, as you can see. However, I have closed a little bit lower at 1.02 140 instead of 150. Okay, and here, as you can see, I have some swaps because the position stayed overnight. Okay, because the position stayed overnight, so I have charged, my account is charged some swaps. Okay, or the overnight interest rates. Okay, traders, that's the price breaking above the 1.02 150, as I told you, as I promised you, and here I am closing on my profits. Okay, that's how you trade very tough trends. Let me check your chats. Hello, King Davis, thanks for what are doing for us, man. You're most welcome, Davis. Hi, King, may I know when exactly are you doing live trading? Nadia, is it once a week, any particular day? Because I have been missing few times live trade with you. You're most welcome, Nadia. Well, actually, I'm not scheduling my live streamings. Okay, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell of my channel. Okay, turn on all notifications so you receive an instant notification whenever I'm going live. Okay, traders, let's sell this one as a gift from me to you before I close, before I end this live streaming. Okay, I'll be selling here, so make sure to click on the notification bell of my channel so you receive an instant notification whenever I'm going live. Now sell with me the Euro USD. Okay, just before we sell, take a look. Where did I tell you to sell? Exactly at 150. That's why I told you to take your profits at 150, because I knew the price will be returning from there, and that's why I am telling you to sell at 150. Take a look. Take a look. That's how you should be able to read the market like an open book. You're live more. Yes, as promised. Well, actually, I told you that I will be uploading a video about closing on my last entries. However, I've decided to go live and be closing on it with you. Okay, and that's it. These are my entries. Charged some swaps due to the overnight interest rate, as you know, because I've left it for. Okay, it's very rare that the price remains at the same level for some time. However, okay, let's get these $10 profits. Okay, now you have sold. Now you can close on your profits. Close on your profits, traders. Close on your profits on the euro dollar now from selling it. Close on your profits, okay? I will end here. This was just like a gift from me to you. So selling here and closing now, okay? Okay, I repeat. So especially for the people who will be watching the replay, let's make the conclusion. Okay, this was very long live streaming. Actually, the longest one on my channel, around 7 hours. I'm very glad, of course. Even if 24 hours trading, I'm so glad. So it's not my first time facing such difficult situations. Well, it's not difficult in the sense of trading, but in the sense of you are waiting for the price to move, and the price doesn't move. Unfortunately, it remains 4 hours at the same place. Where you go to sleep, King? Someone is asking me where you go to sleep, and in my first live streaming, someone was asking me, did you eat? Thank you, traders. Really, I really love you all from deep of my heart, wholeheartedly. Well, I'm in a hotel here in Dubai. I'm still here. I think I will be moving after 2 days to the US again. Okay, or maybe I will be passing through United Kingdom. I think I'm not sure yet. I didn't schedule that. Okay, so I will be sleeping now. We have night now here. Okay, I'm enjoying my summer. It's been 9 days or 10 days here. So I will be remaining like around 2 weeks here in Dubai, and then I will be moving to the US. I'm not sure if I'm going to pass through United Kingdom first. I'll be visiting a friend there. Okay, one of the 1% club, by the way. And that's it. So I'll be going to sleep now. After I have closed everything, I'll be going to sleep. No worries. Okay. Thanks for asking. Okay, so again, I'm concluding. So especially for the people who are rewatching the live streaming, this is part 2. This is the end of part 1. Okay, unfortunately, sometimes you will be faced with such difficulties. The price is not moving. Take a look here. So to be showing you what happened, take a look. Let's say from here to here is around 4 hours. 3 hours and 4 hours. The price was not moving at all for 4 hours. The price remained at the same price level, unfortunately. And we were inside this one. I just wanted the price to be moving these pips. Take a look from here to here. Take a look, traders. Take a look with me. Take a look. I wanted the price to be moving from here to here. This is small pip, and the price didn't make it. Okay. Imagine how bad luck we've had, and we were obliged to wait for the price to keep remaining at this. The price decided to let us wait and remain at this price for 4 hours. So somewhere here I have closed my live streaming and I have returned back and now closed on my profits. Okay. However, the idea is to show you, take a look at this beautiful but very tough downtrend. The idea was to show you how to trade these tough trends. The idea to show you how to be patient. Please rewatch my first live streaming, part 1 of this one made today. Okay, watch it and learn the advanced tips and skills that I have thrown during and explained during my first part. Okay, I've shown you very advanced tips. Moreover, you will be learning patience. You will see how patient I am on my trades, even if sometimes it takes some time, okay? Because the market, you cannot control the speed of the market. Sometimes it's very fast, sometimes it takes lots of time. You have to be patient on the market and you have to act very quickly when the market is fast, Okay, kindly rewatch the first part and enjoy it and learn a lot. I have explained lots of advanced skills, especially about trading very tough trends and trading the end of a day. Okay, how to act if you are during the last hours of a day and you still have an open position that is losing and you want to get rid of. Okay, so you have a losing position, you are at the end of a day and you want to close this position so you can continue your day or either sleep, or at the end you want to close your trading day. Okay, so how to close a losing position if you are at the end of a trading day, the answer is in the part 1 of this live streaming. Okay, take a look, traders, here. Even if I'm not trading, even when I was not here, take a look. I told you to close where? At 1.02150. Where did the market finish? Just tell me. Just tell me. Can anyone do 0.1% of what I am doing? Just 0.1%. I told you that the market will be reaching 1.02150, and here put your take profit 1.02150, and the market exactly slightly above 1.02150 rejected and moved down from there. Take a look. Imagine how expert you would be to be we were here when I was closing my live stream. I told you, buy more if the market goes down, close on your profits here on 1.02150. That's exactly what happened. Okay, the question is, how did I know? I wasn't here. Okay, how did I know the market will be moving toward 1.02150 and getting back down again? That's called the feeling of the market. To develop this sixth sense, let's say, the feeling of the market, this what differentiates you between other traders, among all other traders. Okay, that's the feeling of the market. Imagine, even closing my eyes, I can know when the price is going. Okay, I've spent more time with my charts than with my friends or my family, or imagine. Okay, so I know the market, where it will be going and how, even without watching it. Okay, practice, traders. Just I'm telling you that to give you some motivation. Okay, to give you some motivation. King, what nationality are you from, if I may ask? Well, actually, I prefer to keep my life as a private. Okay, you know, you are the best Forex trader worldwide, so of course you have to keep your life private. Okay, and I always prefer that, to keep my private life as private. Okay, however, I always move from a country to another. Okay, I'm living in the hotels more than I'm living in my houses. I have multiple houses in all of the world. Okay, but I keep traveling, so I enjoy traveling. Okay, and I stay some time, of course, close to my family, or even with my friends. Or okay, traveling for me is one of the best experiences, so I belong to the whole world, if you want. I love all cultures and I respect all. You don't care about everything, but years of grinding and taking time to job paid off. Yes, exactly. Everything takes time. If I have well got your comment. Okay, Richard, King of Forex, you are genius. Today I can feel the market. Thanks for your strategy. You're most welcome, Richard. It's always my pleasure. At the end, I've created this channel not for me to become profitable, but for you traders. Okay, I've done everything. I've taken everything from this beautiful career. Okay, and now it's yours. Okay, the market is yours. It's your time. Okay, I'm here to make you profitable traders, to make you successful traders. Okay, so please take it seriously. It's not for fun. Take it seriously and start working on yourself day in, day out. Okay, be on the right path, get the right knowledge, and start from there. Don't waste your time on nonsense. Get the right knowledge and start from there. Work on yourself day in, day out. After some time, evaluate yourself. If you are doing well, then Forex trading is for you because you have now the full right knowledge. If you are not doing good after some time, then start questioning yourself. Is Forex trading for me? Do I have passion for it? Am I willing to sacrifice, to work more for it? Because each trader has his own time, okay? Some people become successful faster than others. Okay, it depends on each trader, on his style, on everything, on his personality, trading psychology, everything. Okay, you are a beast. Thank you. Beautiful life, King. May God bless you always. You're most welcome, Nadia. Thank you very much. Okay, traders. So that's it mainly. So I went live just to be closing all my profits here in Dubai. It's night now. Okay, so I have to sleep. It's very late. Okay. So just went live because of course I didn't ever in my life sleep and I have some orders open. Ever, never. Okay, never do it. And that's the beautiful thing about scalping. Okay. So don't forget to watch part 1. I think it's processed by the YouTube platform for the moment. It's a long 7 hours, 8 hours. But of course it will be uploaded very soon. Or maybe it has just been uploaded. I didn't check that. Okay, that's it for today. I really enjoyed my time with you. Congratulations for your very big profits made with me today. Congratulations for learning these very advanced skills. And most importantly, I have really enjoyed my time with you. Glad that the market showed the toughest scenario ever. One of the toughest scenario. I was glad that it has been shown in front of you in the live streaming so you can learn from it a lot. For me, it's maybe the 1000 times that I trade such situation, but for you, maybe it's your first time to learn how to trade in such situations. So I'm very glad for that. So happy for you. And that's it for today. Most importantly, thank you very much, traders, for your time. Been watching my first long live streaming. Wishing you all the best. See you in my next live streamings or videos. My best wishes, traders, with all my love. King of Forex from the 1% Club.